Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again with a new session of Science 1, lesson number 14, Standard 9. Today we'll start with the topic substance in common use and the importance in our day to day life. So, here we use various substances in our day to day life. We have previously learned in some detail about few of them, the uses and constituents and method of the preparation. So, now important salts in our daily life. What are those? Now, first of all, we should know what are salts. Now, the ionic compounds which do not contain H plus ions and OH minus ion and contain only one kind of cations and anions are called as simple salts. For example, Na2SO4, K3PO4, CaCl2, etc. Inorganic substances occur naturally in the form of salts rather than acids or bases. About 80 million tons of salts are added every year to the seawater. Therefore, the sea is said to be the rich source of salts. In fact, the sea is a rich source of several salts of various elements such as chlorine, sodium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, bromine. However, we also use other salts apart from these in a day to day life. Now we'll move to the nature of the salts. How to identify the nature of the salts. What is the strip given below? The strip given below is called as pH paper. What is its use? It is used to identify strength and the nature of the solution or substances. How it is determined whether the substance is acidic, basic, or neutral? With the help of pH paper, if the value of pH lies between one to 7, then it is called as acidic, and if the pH value lies between 7 to 14, it is called as basic, and if the value of the pH is exactly 7, that is green in color, it is called as neutral in nature. So we can prepare a list of prepare a list of certain food substances in our day-to-day life, and we can find out the nature, or we can find out the pH value, and on the basis of that we can identify whether it is acidic, basic, or neutral. You have seen in previous lesson that a salt is neutral when pH value is 7. Such a salt is made up of strong acids and strong base. The pH value of salt made from strong acid and a weak base is less than 7 and it is acidic. On the other hand, pH value of salt made from weak acid and strong base is more than 7 and it is basic. Let us now learn about some salts of everyday use. First of all, the common salt or sodium chloride, or we call it as table salt. Its chemical name is NaCl, formula is NaCl. Table salt or common salt which gives a salty taste to food, is the most used of all salts. Its chemical name is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed by neutralization reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. We have already seen that there is a neutral salt and the pH value of its aqueous solution is 7. Properties and uses. Common salt is a colorless and crystalline ionic compound. There is no water crystallization in its crystalline structure. It is neutral salt, salty in taste. This compound is used for the production of salts like Na2CO3, NaLCO3. Na2CO3 is nothing but sodium carbonate, and NaLCO3 is nothing but sodium bicarbonate. When an electric current is passed through a saturated solution of sodium chloride, brine, it is electrolyzed and hydrogen gas is released at the cathode while chlorine gas is released at the anode. This method is used for the production of chlorine gas. In this method, an important basic compound NaOH is formed in the cell, and is represented in the form of chemical equation as 2NaCl plus 2H2O. NaCl is sodium chloride, H2O is water. And the product formed is sodium hydroxide, that is 2NaOH, plus chlorine gas, that is Cl2, and hydrogen gas, that is H2. When a salt is heated to a high temperature, about 800 degrees Celsius, it melts. This is called as fused state of the salt. The fused salt is electrolyzed. Chlorine gas is released at the anode and liquid sodium metal at the cathode. The 25% of aqueous solution of a salt is called as saturated brine. When one-fifth of the solution of is evaporated and dissolved salt gets crystallized, salt gets separated from the solution. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, and its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Your mother brings cake on your birthday or makes it at home. She also makes crispy bhaji. Have you ever asked your mother what makes the cake porous or bhaji crisp? Mother adds baking soda in the batter. Baking soda is a white non-crystalline powder. Its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, and its molecular formula is NaHCO3. Property and its uses. Sodium bicarbonate reacts with moist litmus paper and red litmus paper, turns blue, which means that it is basic in nature. It is also used to make bread, cake, dokla. Being basic in nature, it is used to produce acidity in the stomach. Sodium bicarbonate is used to make active substances carbon dioxide in the fire extinguisher. Baking soda is used to clean an oven. Another salt which is used in our day-to-day life, that is calcium oxychloride or bleaching powder. Take a piece of colored cloth, put some saturated solution of bleaching powder on a small part and observe what change takes place in the color of the cloth. The color of the cloth becomes white in color. That we are knowing it. Tap water has a physical strong odor in the rainy season. Have you experienced it? Water in a swimming pool also has same color. Sorry, same odor. It is the odor of the chlorine gas, which is used to destroy the microbes in the water. Chlorine gas is a strong oxidizing agent, and therefore it has strong disinfecting as well as bleaching action. Chlorine is inconvenient to handle because of the chlorine gas, because of its gaseous state. Instead, the solid bleaching powder, which has the same effect, is more convenient to use. Bleaching powder undergoes slow decomposition due to the carbon dioxide in air and chlorine gas is released. Bleaching powder gets its property because of the release of chlorine gas. Now it is expressed in the form of chemical equation. Calcium oxychloride, that is CaOCl2 plus carbon dioxide CO2, gives calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus Cl2. The bleaching powder is obtained by the reaction of chlorine gas with the slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide, or it is called as slaked lime, reacts with chlorine to form calcium oxychloride, that is bleaching powder, plus water is given out. The property and the uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is yellowish white color solid substances. Its chemical name is calcium oxychloride. It has a strong odor of chlorine gas. It is used for disinfection of drinking water at the at the waterworks and the water in the swimming pool. It is used for the bleaching of cloth. It is used for disinfecting by the roadside and garbage sites. Dilute sulfuric acid and dilute hydrochloric acid react rapidly with bleaching powder to release chlorine gas completely. Calcium bleaching powder plus sulfuric acid gives calcium sulfate plus chlorine gas is given out plus and water. Calcium oxychloride reacts slowly with calcium carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate and chlorine gas. Now we'll move to another salt which we use it in our day-to-day life. Washing soda. Chemical formula is Na2CO3H2O. Now take a sample of water from a well or a bore well in a beaker, add some soap to it and stir. Then take another sample, add one spoonful of washing soda and stir. Then add some soap and stir again. Observe the changes that take place. The changes, which changes did occur? Why do they occur? Now water which contains washing soda, more froth is formed, bubbles are formed. Therefore, it indicates that water has become soft. And where it doesn't form, therefore it is called as hard water. The hard water from a well or a borewell becomes soft on adding washing soda. And we come to know that from this that lather we come to know this from the lather formed on it. The hardness of water is due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium on it. Sodium carbonate is added to it to soften such water and makes it suitable for use. The reaction with sodium carbonate causes the formation of insoluble carbonate salts of magnesium and calcium. Magnesium chloride plus sodium chloride. Magnesium chloride aqueous form and sodium chloride in the solid state forms magnesium carbonate plus sodium chloride in the solid form. Sodium carbonate is a soluble water salt of sodium. Sodium carbonate is water soluble salt of sodium. Crystalline sodium carbonate, on keeping, loses its water of crystallization and white powder is formed. This powder is called as washing soda. A sodium carbonate with 10 molecule of water on heating gives sodium carbonate with 1 molecule of water, which is called as white powder or washing soda. Property and uses. Washing soda is a whitish and odorless powder at a room temperature. Litmus paper has a blue color in its aqueous solution. It is hygroscopic, that is, it absorbs moisture if left exposed to air. It is used mainly for washing clothes. Sodium carbonate is used for glass and paper industry and also in refining of the petrol. Right, what is the reaction of sodium carbonate with sulfuric acid? The sodium sulfate is formed and carbonic acid is formed. Some crystalline salts. You learned about water crystallization in the previous chapter. We use various salts which contains water of crystallization. Some salts in our daily use which contain water of crystallization. Among them, first one is alum or potash alum, whose chemical formula is K2SO4, Al2SO4, the whole thrice 24H2O. Borax, Na2B4O7, 10H2O. Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, which we call it as MgSO4 7H2O. Then barium chloride, BaCl2 2H2O. Sodium sulfate, which is also called as global salt, whose chemical formula is Na2SO4 10H2O. Collect more information on the properties and uses of some substance listed above. You have learned that alum is used in the process of water purification. Because of the property of coagulation, the solid impurities in water come together, become heavy, and settle at the bottom. As a result, water above becomes clear. Blue vitriol is used in the blood test for diagnosing anemia. Anemia means that person who is having less amount of blood or that whose body lacks blood. That is called as anemia. In the Bodex mixture, which is used as a fungicide on fruits like grapes, muskmelon, slake lime, it is used with blue vitriol. Blue vitriol is nothing but copper sulfate, which is blue in color, and therefore the name is given as blue vitriol. Soap. What are detergents? Detergents, it can be either in the form of cake or it can be in the form of powder, which is used for washing clothes. Which chemicals and apparatus will you use in the laboratory for making soap? Oil is used, and then sodium hydroxide is used, caustic soda. When oil or animal fat is boiled with aqueous solution of sodium or potassium hydroxide, sodium or potassium salts of carboxylic acids are formed. These salts are called as soap. When soap is mixed with hard water, calcium and magnesium salts of fatty acids are formed. This being water insoluble, they form a precipitate, and that is why lather is not formed. Remaining part of this lesson we'll discuss it in the next video. Till then, have a great day.